Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
American 2587, descend maintain 3000.
3000, American 2587.
Approach show 6304, heading up 260, leave at 7000 for 6000.
Air show 6304, Austin approach, turn 10 degrees left, descend maintain 2000.
10 left, 2000, show 6304.
American 2587, traffic 11 o'clock and 5 miles westbound, altitude gates 2000, type unknown.
Search for traffic, American 2587. Austin approach, Vision Jet 296, Papa Golf, 5300, descending 5000, 280 signed.
American 296, Papa Golf, Austin approach, flight heading of 230, descend and maintain 2000.
230, 2000, 6 Papa Golf. Approach American 818, passing 7700, descending via the Suzy 6, maintain 6000.
American 818, Austin approach, expect vectors to final for runway 36 left, unable Zulu at this time.
Not a problem, expect vectors, 36 left, American 818.
American 2587, previous call traffic's just off your nose, westbound still, it's against 2100.
Inside, it's a highway, American 2587.
Roger. American 2587, descend maintain 2000 and turn right heading at 260.
2000, right turn 260, American 2587.
There's 738 Papa Golf, Austin approach. 738 Papa Golf, Austin approach, on frequency. Number 738 Papa Golf, Austin approach. American 2587, reduce speed to 170 so you can, for that traffic to get through your final so I don't have to aim at them.
170, American 2587.
Air show 6304, reduce speed to 170.
170 on speed, air show 6304.
Alright, Papa Golf, flight heading at 260. Alright, sorry, 6 Papa Golf, flighting 260.
260, 6 Papa Golf.
Cessna 738, Papa Golf, Austin, Ontario.
American 2587, do you still have that high wings that's crossing over your final now?
Negative, American 2587.
You said negative?
Correct, negative. We lost the one we just sent into the pod.
American 2587, roger. Turn right heading at 26. Correction, turn right heading 330, join the final runway 36 left.
Right heading 330 to join the final, American 2587.
Air show 6304, turn right heading at 270.
270, air show 6304.
American 2587, as you make the turn, airport's 1 o'clock, 7 miles.
Airport inside, American 2587.
American 2587, that traffic's through your final now. You're clear visual approach, runway 36 left.
Clear the visual runway 36 left, American 2587.
American 818, descend maintain 2000.
To maintain 2000, American 818.
American 2518, traffic's turning due southbound, continue right turn 030. Or 6 Papa Golf, turn right heading 030 immediately.
030 immediately, 6 Papa Golf. Then we're responding to an RA, American 2587.
American 2587, when you can, climb maintain 3000, flight heading 360. I'm just going to make you back around.
Stand by.
Six Papa Golf, traffic off your left at American 737. Do you have him in sight?
Affirmative for 6 Papa Golf.
6 Papa Golf, maintain visual separation from that traffic airport, and just continue on right turn heading 030. I'm going to back you back around.
Copy that for 6 Papa Golf, 030.
Air Shuttle 6304, traffic's right in the middle of my final. Turn left heading of 180. I'm going to back you back around.
Roger, left 180, show 6304.
American 2587, climb maintain 3000, turn left heading 270.
3270, American 2587.
American 818, amend your altitude, maintain 5000 if you can. If not, stop at 4.
Stop at 5, American 818.
Thank you.
I confirm 300 heading for American 2587.
American 2587, 270 at 3000, please, when you can.
270, 3000, American 2587.
Air Shuttle 6304, continue left turn heading 080.
080 now, Air Shuttle 6304.
Airshow 6304, traffic still off your left, continue left turn heading a 020.
020 now, Airshow 6304.
Air 6 Papa Golf, turn right heading a 175.
Right turn 175, 6 Papa Golf.
American 2587, turn left heading a 175. And did you ever see him the second time around?
175, we saw when he flashed us and flew right into us.
Roger, yeah, he immediately turned southbound. I was trying to get you the other way. Sorry about that.
No worries.
And Roger, if you want to declare a near miss, let us know. Airshow 6304, continue left turn heading to 330 to join the final.
330, I think our traffic is like right, I see him inside Airshow 6304.
Yeah, he's off your left. Just join the final from runway 36 left. Let me know when you get a field.
Alright, join the final for 36 left, and we have a field inside for Airshow 64.
Airshow 6304, clear visual approach, runway 36 left. Contact tower 121.0, good day.
21.0, clear for the visual 36 left, Airshow 6304.
American 818, turn right heading of 260.
Right 260, American 818.